Okay, today I'm going to be answering some questions about these heated wiper blade kits that we sell. So if you guys don't know what these are, they have a little wire here that actually heats up your internal squeegee, which keeps the ice and snow off your windshield and keeps it clear for you during the storms and cold weather. So it's a pretty cool design. It also has a replaceable squeegee. So all you do is pull back on this rubber, pull this red tab, and you can actually replace this inner piece. So that's pretty neat. You don't have to buy the whole kit every time you need to replace them. You can also swap them out during the summer for regular blades just by unplugging them. So this is the module system that you would get, and we actually build vehicle specific brackets. All of our brackets are actually powder coated. This is just a test model here, but you can find those on the website, or you can buy the universal kit if we don't have your bracket. But basically the way this thing works is it just plugs into the module. You have two wires, it's a black and a red, pretty standard stuff. That's going to go straight to the battery because this thing actually has a sensor built in, and that temperature sensor is going to turn on below freezing. So it won't kill your battery. I believe there is an internal voltage bypass, so it's not going to kill your battery if you go direct to battery. One of the common questions we get is like, should I put this on a switch panel or a separate switch? And you can as a fail-safe if you want to, but you don't have to. So that's pretty neat. Those are two plugs there for your wipers. Those are basically just going to zip tie to your wiper arm, and it's pretty simple design. Pretty cool product to have, especially if you're in an area where it's cold, it snows a lot. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any more questions, hit us up, gatekeeperoffroad.com. Happy New Year, and thanks for watching.